Welcome back to MotorRevs 27. Triumph has just unveiled one of its most exclusive modern classics ever, the 2027 Triumph Speed Twin 1200 TFC. And here's what makes it truly special. Only 750 units will be built for riders around the world. So what makes this limited edition motorcycle worth all the attention? Let's find out. At first glance, the Speed Twin 1200 TFC looks stunning. It features an exclusive TFC paint scheme finished in glossy black with metallic blue accents and elegant hand-painted gold detailing. Carbon fiber body panels add an even more premium appearance, while every motorcycle comes with its own individually numbered badge, reminding owners they're riding something truly rare. Triumph also equips the bike with lightweight Akrapovič titanium silencers, giving it a deeper exhaust note and a more aggressive character. But this motorcycle isn't just about looks. Triumph has upgraded the chassis with premium components to deliver an even sharper riding experience. Up front, you'll find fully adjustable Öhlins upside-down forks, while the rear features premium Öhlins piggyback shocks for improved comfort and control. Braking performance is handled by Brembo Stylema radial calipers, providing outstanding stopping power whether you're riding through city streets or attacking your favorite mountain roads. Wrapped in high-performance Metzeler tires, the Speed Twin 1200 TFC is built to inspire confidence in every corner. Power comes from Triumph's iconic 1,200 cubic centimeters high-power parallel twin engine, delivering strong torque throughout the rev range and exciting acceleration whenever you twist the throttle. Combined with the lightweight chassis and Akrapovič exhaust, this motorcycle promises an engaging ride while maintaining the classic British twin character that enthusiasts love. Technology hasn't been forgotten either. Riders get multiple riding modes, cornering ABS, traction control, cruise control, full LED lighting, and a modern TFT display that blends seamlessly with the bike's timeless styling. It's the perfect combination of classic design and modern performance. So, is the 2027 Triumph Speed Twin 1200 TFC worth it? If you're looking for a motorcycle that combines handcrafted exclusivity, premium components, thrilling performance, and true collector appeal, this could be one of Triumph's finest creations yet. With production strictly limited to just 750 motorcycles worldwide, this is more than just another Speed Twin, it's a future collectible. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to MotorRevs 27, and let us know in the comments. Would you choose the Speed Twin 1200 TFC over other premium modern classics? See you in the next video.